Air conditioner installation video. Today we'll go through the installation process of your Midea U-shaped air conditioner and bracket. Upon opening the box, you will find your new Midea U-shaped window air conditioner along with the user manual, one main bracket, one short and one long right extension arm, two main support pins, two cotter pins, side arm foam, 1/4 inch Type B screws, 1/2 inch Type B screws, 1/2 inch Type A screws, 1 inch Type A screws, window sash lock, one right and one left open window bracket, various foams for sealing, and one remote with batteries. The tools needed are a Phillips head screwdriver, a level, tape measure, pencil or marker, scissors or knife to cut the foam, and a drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit. You may also need a flathead screwdriver. First, verify the angled support arms are correctly inserted into the main support channels. The small tabs on the side must sit inside the channel. Next, set your main bracket on a flat surface such as a table and adjust the left extension arm out to the left side of the bracket. Measure the dimension of your window to determine which extension arm is needed. The long right extension arm is for 26 inch to 36 inch windows, and the short right extension arm is for 22 inch to 26 inch windows. Find the center of the window and lightly mark it with a pencil. Write down the distance from the center mark to each end of the windowsill to help with adjusting the bracket before installing. Using the arrow on the front center of the bracket, adjust the extension arm to match the measurements. Check that it fits the windowsill and adjust as needed. Then apply bracket sealing foam to the bottom of the right and left extension arms. With the bracket assembled, install it into the window frame by placing the main support arms out of the window. Lower the bracket and place it on the inside of the window frame. If installing into a flat sill window, maintain control of the bracket and use the 1 inch Type A screws to secure the bottom of the bracket to the window now. Move the angled support arms in until the feet touch the outside of the building. Then place a level on the main supports here or here. Adjust the first angled support arm so the bracket is level or slightly tilted downward toward the outside. The bubble should be level or show 1/4 bubble for a slight tilt. With the first angled support arm set at the correct angle, install the support pin through the closest matching hole along the main support and insert the cotter pin. Using the numbers on the main support, adjust the second angled support arm to match the first. Insert the main support pin and cotter pin. Double check the level and that the bracket is centered in the window. Secure the extension arms to the side of the window frame by pre-drilling and fastening the extension arms through the holes provided on the ends. If necessary, cover any openings on the bracket using the bracket sealing foam. Using 2 people to lift, remove the unit from the box. With the window fully opened, place the Midea U-shaped air conditioner on the support bracket, ensuring the channels on the bottom of the air conditioner align with the bracket. While keeping a hand on the air conditioner, partially close the window into the U-shaped slot to help align the unit with the window. Next, install the left and right open window brackets using the provided Type B screws. First, fold down both sidearm hinges and measure the distances between each hinge and the window frame. This dimension may be different on each side. The foams can also be custom cut to form fit your window frame if desired. Add 1/4 inch to your measurement and cut the sidearm foam to length. For flat windowsill installations, adhere the additional sidearm foam to the bottom of the main sidearm foam. Starting 2 inches from the top of the foam on the side facing the unit, add a strip of window sealing foam down and across the bottom of the sidearms. Now you're ready to install the foam. Install the foam between the sidearm hinge and the window frame. Ensure the top of the foam is flush with the top of the sidearm hinge. Additionally, for flat windowsills, ensure that the foam seals behind the extension arm. With the foam in place, slide the anti-tip brackets out and insert them into the window track. These must be installed. With the arms fully extended into the track, secure the anti-tip brackets by reinstalling the provided Phillips screw. Install window sealing foam to the bottom of your window sash. You can now fully close your window. Extend the integrated window locks out until they touch the window. You can also install the optional window sash lock for added security. Finally, install the window sash seal. Check for any gaps and use the provided foam pieces to seal any openings between the air conditioner and the window. Plug in your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner and enjoy! Thank you for watching the installation video for your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner.